Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to this unboxing of Proof pre-order from Weverse. I'm sorry, this box is too big to fit in frame, but I'll do measurements of the box volume for you. It is 28 centimeters by 11 centimeters and it's long, 61 centimeters. I'm sorry, my scale is broken, so I can't weigh it, but they did announce, I think, that the standard edition, I believe, is 2.6 kilograms. So that plus the poster and some packaging, I guess. Let's open it up. Oh, wait. Okay. First, there is this, I believe this is a pre-order poster. Ooh. I will insert a photo of this so you can see the full shot, but there it is. Very nice paper, not glossy poster from the Proof concept. Now there are two things here, and already I see I saw people got these from Kyobo bookstore, and I was thinking of going to buy an album from there because I thought these were cute, but I'm glad they put them in. Okay, so apparently they gave two of these in the some coupon codes, and I got Jin and V. The back is coupon codes for the game, I guess. Okay, let's look at the Weverse pre-order benefits. So this is the POB that comes with the standard, and this is the POB that comes with the set. This is like a triptych, like a 3-cut photo, and this is a photo card with acrylic stand. I'm so glad they didn't put it inside the acrylic because there's the fear that it might get damaged. Let's open this up. Oh! We got Hobie! Ooh, and they put it in the OPP. Good job. This is what the Weverse pre-order benefit looks like. Cutie patootie Hobie, glossy front. It has the stem cuts on the bottom, and mine doesn't have it at the top, but there's definitely stem cuts at the bottom. This is what the back looks like. Weverse Shop matte. Cutie patootie Hobie is here. And then this acrylic frame. I guess you pop out the stand and stick it in here, and you can take off the plastic, and it has Proof written on the front. And let's look at the triptych photo. 1, 2, 3. Namjoon! I'm gonna leave this in the packaging just in case I need to trade, but this is what the triptych photo looks like. And I've stayed away from spoilers, so I haven't seen the inside of the albums yet, so let's look at the album. Okay, what's going on? Okay, slides out. There's a CD. 3 CDs. I'm so excited to listen to CD 3. This is nice. So it's not a jewel case, it's just in the sleeve. Oops. Oh, Hobie! Hobie. Beautiful. It is matte front. Again, stem cuts. I guess people... Ooh, the back is pretty. It's a metallic back. So pretty. Hobie's photo card. And We Are Bulletproof. Oh yes, their whole discography in this cool little fold-out paper. All the way to Permission to Dance. And, oh, is this the postcard? I didn't realize it was so small. I think I got the group postcard, is that right? I'll have to check. I think there were 8 postcards in compact. That's cute. But this also presents a dilemma of how I'm going to sleeve it. Here's the postcard. a quick flip through of the photo book. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, there's a mini poster too. Ooh. Proof, the door concept photo, and track list, lyrics. I'll just flip through those quickly. I really like the proof concept photos. I like them in front of the shield. Very, very nice. And then more lyrics. And then track list, and then into the door concept photos and everyone's thanks to. Oops. Yay! So that's the compact version, and this is what came out of compact. Let's open this. Oh, this is quite hefty. Okay, we've got a plastic sleeve like this. And it opens like so. Wow, this is nice. And then take the ribbon to take out the contents. Okay. And then, so here is the CD. Same packaging, but larger version for the CDs. And what's this? Oh, is this, okay, we've got this is nice. They put in the photo cards in the sleeve. That's nice. Okay, so I got Tay's postcard. I'm gonna look at the photo cards later. Put that aside. What is all of this? Wow. Okay, I really haven't watched any unboxings or spoilers, so I didn't know what all would be inside. Let's go from just the top. The Art of Proof. Identity, reflection of youth. Beyond the Scene. Beyond the Scene. Which is like the retroactive name for BTS, right? And then discography. I like these cool graphic design pages. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's like a look through their discography. I like this. I like these graphic design elements that they've put in. Oh, and it really is just like a look back through all their eras. This is so neat. Hanging on the Part 2, Young Forever, Wings. Wow, You Never Walk Alone. Tear, Answer. Oh, this is cool. And then we're already into Persona. Map Soul 7, Dynamite already. B. Butter, Permission to Dance. Ooh. Oh, and then like a look back through their records and their tours. Oh wow, Wings Tour, Love Cell Tour, Map Soul 1. Oh, the Lost Tour. Speeches. What? This is amazing. Wow. and the best is yet to come. I'm so glad that that's the message of the title track, because it's like signaling a new start, not, I mean, it's not the end. Love this. I like the concept is like they're looking through their old photos and like maybe developing their old print photos. This is cool. The blurry photos for the lucky draws for M2, Soundwave, and Power Station dropped, and the third set, I think, for Power Station in Busan, it had like this red background. I'm wondering if that's what these photos are. Because the first two, Soundwave and M2U, sorry, Namjoon's Los Angeles ending mint, which I was sobbing during his ending mint. But the first two were the door and the proof concept photos, but the third set of lucky draws I didn't recognize. I'm wondering if it's this red background. So that is this book. And then the second proof book, photograph. So I guess this is the proof photo book. Again, I like this concept a lot. Hobie's necklace looks so heavy. And the lasers, like the targets. Gorgeous. This is such a pretty photo book. Namjoon with the sort of like red tipped hair. Oh, got that smoky eye makeup. 민윤기, 태양이. I'm going into units and groups, and then we enter the door concept photo. Do you guys have a preference of door versus proof concept photos? I like how they did two very opposite, very different concepts. This, I think, goes well with the title track. And then the darker one, I would love to see them perform 달려라 방탄, Run BTS in like this kind of concept and outfit. I really can't wait to see their performances. So lucky are the ARMYs who got to go to the pre-recording last night. They've already seen yet to come being performed. These are lovely. Okay. These are both matte, so very prone to get fingerprints. And then there's this silver book. What is this? Epilogue. Ooh, again, I like this graphic design. No, oh my gosh, it's like behind the scenes, like their shoes, getting ready. I guess the concept is like they are putting together this, either this photo book or something. They're like developing photos in a, oh, it's a dark room. That's why the light, it's red. It's like a dark room for developing photos. Very cool. I like this photo shoot. I like their outfits. And then we've gotten into the door concept photos with like the beam of light from the open door, but then also into proof concept photos. I like this. It's sort of like behind the scenes, like they're photo shoot quality photos, but you can see more of like the set and like them getting their makeup done. And then there's like a message from each of the members. Jungkook, as usual, writes the most. And credits. Finally, what is this book? Ooh, a lyrics book. Oh, okay, so it's all the lyrics of the discography of Proof in red and black pages. Very nice. All right, let's look at what was in here. So we have Taeyong's postcard. So the compact and standard version postcards are different sizes. Is that right? Okay. And then the back of the compact was silver. Let's see. These look like the OT7s that they give you. Ooh. Matte front, stem cuts in the bottom. Wow, sorry. Oh, dang. Wow. Okay, put these aside. Wow. So glossy back, the shiny Proof, and then matte fronts. These are gorgeous. Let's look at my random card. I think this is a black and white card. 1, 2, 3. Namjoon! Very, very prominent stem cuts. Sorry. He often does this thing where he like covers his face, like that's his signature, I guess. But they're all holding some sort of photo in the photo cards. I remember. Namjoon. All right, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Happy comeback. Enjoy Proof. Enjoy Yet to Come. For Youth, Run BTS, and I will see you next time. Bye.